Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn laced or raised buttonhole stitch. This is an attractive stitch which can be used for flowers and border lines. In this stitch you see short lines on top, small raised knots in each stitch and like stem stitch in two colors in the bottom line. We shall work the stitch in two parallel lines. Insert the needle in one line, pull over, straight to the previous stitch, insert the needle and take it out at a distance on the other line, thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished the first stitch. Once again insert the needle in one line and take it out straight on the other line, thread below the needle and pull over. This is buttonhole stitch. See, once again insert the needle in one line, take it out straight on the other line, thread below the needle and pull over. I have already shared buttonhole stitch video and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. Same way, let us finish buttonhole stitch throughout these two parallel lines. The level of this stitch is intermediate. Now I have finished the buttonhole stitch. Again insert the needle at one point with another color thread. I am using all the 6 strands for this stitch. Just insert the needle on the vertical line. Again insert the needle in the horizontal line and pull over. See, once again insert the needle on the vertical line. Again insert the needle on the horizontal line below both the blue and green thread. So in each stitch insert the needle on the vertical line and then again in the horizontal line below both the colors. Insert the needle on the vertical line and then on the horizontal line below both the colors. You will get a knot in each stitch and the stitch will be very pretty. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button. Also share with your friends and relations. I have shared all the other video links in the description. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. See how pretty the stitch is. And this is the back view of the stitch. Here you can't see the green thread. You can see only straight lines in the blue thread. Thank you for watching.